Hello, everyone. I'm Alicia. Welcome to Mission Vocab. Today's advanced English vocabulary lesson takes a deeper look at the term ennui. Ennui is a noun that means a deep, weary boredom often caused by feeling that life, routine, or surroundings lack real interest or meaning. The word often suggests more than simple boredom. It carries a quiet sense of emptiness, restlessness, or dissatisfaction with familiar daily life and routine. Ennui is usually used as an abstract noun, describing a lasting emotional state rather than a quick moment of boredom or temporary lack of entertainment. In everyday life, ennui describes a tired, detached mood that can appear even when someone seems comfortable and nothing clearly terrible is happening around them. The term suggests that the problem is not lack of activity alone, but lack of emotional engagement, freshness, or meaningful stimulation in daily experience. The meaning is generally consistent across English speaking regions, and the word often describes people who feel emotionally flat despite comfort, routine, or opportunity. For example, after weeks of doing the same tasks at home, Jessica felt a dull ennui that made even her favorite shows seem strangely empty and pointless. The office offered good salaries and beautiful design, but many employees described an ennui that came from repetitive work and little creative freedom each day. In the novel, the wealthy narrator's ennui reveals a deeper spiritual problem. Comfort has replaced purpose, curiosity, and meaningful connection with others in life. Natural phrases include a sense of ennui, urban ennui, existential ennui, and feelings of ennui, all pointing to bored emotional emptiness rather than ordinary tiredness. Ennui is a formal, literary, and slightly elegant word. It is common in essays, reviews, novels, and thoughtful discussion of mood or modern culture. Use ennui when boredom is not strong enough. The word suggests weary dissatisfaction, not just having nothing fun to do at the moment. When you hear ennui, picture someone surrounded by comfort and options, yet quietly bored because life feels flat, repetitive, and emotionally empty from the inside. That's ennui. One word, stronger English.